Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Remember to subscribe to my channel, City Boy Liu. Now this video I will show you how do I replace my luggage bag wheel after a trip. Now I took a picture of my old wheel and asked the seller online to send me a pair of this. Okay, I bought it online. So this wheel actually fits only one side. Make sure you get the correct wheel on the correct side. Now the problem now is I do not have access to the wheel. There are actually 4 screws that I need to remove. So I take a measurement, roughly 4 cm, and I cut a hole 5 cm above the base. Okay, and so that my magnetic tip screwdriver can be put into the keyhole to remove all 4 stainless steel screws here. Right. So I've removed 4, the 4th one, and then this is how it looks like, the old one. And then the same goes with the other side. Make a 1 cm keyhole size, right? And then magnetic tip screwdriver, and then make sure you place the correct wheel on the correct side. And I've actually applied some lubricant onto the wheel axle, and then also Vaseline around the hole and the gap so that prevent water from going in. And then the new screw has relatively larger diameter, and I've also applied some thread locker or thread sealer onto the hole, and then I screw it in halfway so that once I've aligned all 4 screws onto the wheel, only then I will fasten all 4 screws at once. Fasten all 4 screws in turns, right? The overall process took me half an hour, and it's quite a successful one. So I'm going to fasten the last one, the 4th one here, right? To feel the force, to feel the holes, okay, through the keyholes. So I do not need to cut a line across the fabric, and then I need to make a zip there. That's lots of work. So this is the last one done. See, it's flush around nicely. Now, one issue. There you go. The new wheel appears to be bigger, 1.5 cm bigger. So if you were changing your own wheel, I would advise you to buy all 4 wheels, 2 pairs of them. It comes in a pair. Mine is a W137, maybe it's different than from yours. I hope my video helps you. Appreciate thumbs up. See you next time. Bye bye.